friends, and welcome back to this Self-Love Masterclass. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Renee Love, and here we talk about all things self-love and energy medicine. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be talking all about how to get what you want. I know that 2019 has been a big year for a lot of us, and in many ways the year didn't quite go as we expected or planned for it to go. I know that there are still so many things that we want to manifest in this year, and so I thought it would be really, really awesome to give you a video that would give you the foundational tips to be able to ensure that you maximize the rest of the year. Sometimes people feel like, oh my God, the year is almost over. Where did the year go? I still didn't do this or that. I still haven't started this. I haven't accomplished these things. And they may feel like the year is sort of like lost. But I want you to know that there is still so much time in the year. There is still so much that we can manifest. And for many of us, honestly and truly, the year is just beginning, and we are going to end the year powerfully. So don't lose hope, don't lose faith. Grab your pens, your notebooks, your smartphones, and let's get ready to dive into the video. The first thing that I'm going to have you look at is how you ask for what you want. So, you know, at the beginning of the year, a lot of people do New Year's resolutions, or they set new themes and goals and that sort of thing. I know that I do that for myself, and I also do it with my clients as well. But I want us to actually review how we did that step, and it may be necessary for us to do the step over again, or to add this little piece that I'm about to introduce to you. Okay, so now that you sort of have an idea of what you want to work on or what you want to manifest between now and the end of the year, or now and whatever designated point or date you've created, you want to be clear about the way you're asking for what you want. So certainly you can write it down in a journal, you can write it down on a calendar, you can do sticky notes and place them on your wall, or do a vision board or that sort of thing. And all of those are great techniques and they work. I want to encourage you to do a little something else. This piece. I want you to really stand in front of the mirror and ask for what you want while you are looking deeply into your eyes and gazing at yourself. The whole purpose of doing this is for you to really come to a place where you feel confident about what you're asking for, and that you are asking from a position of power rather than being in a begging or lacking type of energy. See, the way we ask for what we want can often affect whether we get what we want or not. If you are asking for something that you want coming from a place of being weak or a victim or powerless, you are unlikely to get what you want. And the reason for this is because in the eyes of the universe, God, whatever you want to call that omnipotent presence, that power that is far greater than ourselves, we are not weak. We are not powerless. We are not inferior. And if we are unable to see ourselves as bigger than that, the universe will continue to give us lessons that will have us confront that smallness. When you are asking for something that you want, it has got to be from a place of fullness and wholeness and power. Get in front of the mirror, look yourself in the eye, and ask for what you want unapologetically. Step number 2, the next thing that I'm going to have you work on is seeing yourself as worthy of that which you desire. This is also something that a lot of people miss, and it is one of the biggest reasons why we do not get what we want, why we are constantly asking and asking and asking and asking, but feeling like no matter what, it never happens for us. We have got to feel worthy of the things that we are asking for. Here's why. If you're asking for something and you say that you want it, but you don't feel like you are deserving or ready or worthy, that thing could be right in front of your face. It could be right beside you. You may be passing it every day on your way to work. The idea may be coming to you in dream. Your intuition may be screaming at you. But if you don't feel worthy, you're going to miss it. You are not going to have the channel, the awareness, the receptivity, or the ability to be able to download that transmission, to notice, to pay attention to, or to act on that which has come to you. If we really want to have the things that we say that we want, we need to work on understanding that we are ready now and that we are worthy now. That is going to stop all of this underlying self-sabotaging that is happening, that is keeping us distant from the things that we truly want. The third thing that I'm going to ask all of us to go over is our plan, because this is what I've noticed when I work with my clients one-on-one is step number one, sometimes it's done or it's done really well. Step number two may be done well as well. But then step number three is where we're not taking responsibility. Okay? We're not acting on what we know. So let's say you have a really great idea, or you know that the universe or God has given you a transmission, has told you this is how you get what you want. Here's the path. There it is, right there. This is what you have to do. But you're not doing it. Why would you expect things to work out or to get what you want, right? It doesn't make any sense. This is another form of self-sabotage. So you've been given the vision, you've been given the idea, your intuition has told you this is how you can have this happen. You got to let go of this, you got to take on that, you got to walk away from that, you got to get a little closer into this, you got to be more committed, you got to act with more integrity, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, and then you don't do it. So really, this is a wake-up call. This is like the wake-up call part of the video where I want all of us to really understand that that right there is the plan, and it requires action. A lot of us will sit down and we'll think, okay, I'm praying, I'm meditating, I'm doing vision boards, I'm doing all this stuff to take care of my energy, and we're just like waiting for things to just fall in our lap. While absolutely it is important to do all of those other things or to use all of those other things, without action, it's not going to happen. Action is a demonstration of responsibility and commitment, and it is our part of the equation. That is us saying, you know what? I'm here, I'm showing up, and you can trust me with the abundance or the opportunities or the wealth or the chat, whatever it is that you're asking for. Your action is the demonstration that you are self-aware and ready now in the physical world to have what you want. So do not skip the action piece. And if you've been procrastinating, ignoring, avoiding, and waiting, this is the wake-up call that it's time to do what you know you need to do, and it's time to do what you know you have been called to do. Start right now. Like, even right after this video, Start right now. All right, y'all, we're doing quite well. So we are on step number 4, and step number 4 is live in alignment. Listen, it really comes down to integrity and how you live your life. So if you say that you want a relationship, if you say that you want to become a mother, if you say that you want to run a business, if you say that you want to become a pastor in your church, if you say that you want to become a millionaire, if you say that you want to have a new home, if you say that you want to move to another country, if you say that you want to make a difference in the world, if you say that you want to be happy, if you say that you want to be healthy, if you say that you want to live the life of your dreams, then we got to do more than steps 1, 2, and 3. We got to live in vibrational alignment, because energy doesn't lie. You all know that this is something that I say all the time. Like, you can't say that you want to be healthy and then you every day make decisions and choices that are incredibly self-destructive and harmful, and things that you know hurt you. Like, because then, like, what you're asking for and what you're living are two completely different realities. So if you say you want something, you got to look at, who do I need to be? How do I need to live to be in harmony and vibrational alignment with that which I am asking for? If you say you want to have more money, you want to make more money, you want to have money, you want to stop living from paycheck to paycheck to paycheck and being broke, but every day you're in the mall shopping and buying and not dealing with your lack of self-worth or the emotional issues that are driving you to spend money unnecessarily every day. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like, those two lifestyles don't go together. Asking for you want and doing steps number 1, 2, and 3 are the first things to do. But now step number 4 is about looking at the way you live day to day and truing yourself up to what is consistent with the thing that you say that you want. Another example is, like, you can't say that you want to be in a marriage, a loving, committed relationship with the person of your dreams, somebody who treats you like a king or like a queen, but then the way that you are operating in your life is like somebody who is completely emotionally unavailable, physically unavailable, time-wise, no space in your home for a person, your car, your life. Like, it's just completely inconsistent. So this is about, and I know I keep repeating myself, but I find repetition is what helps to get the message in. But it's like, really now looking in your life and looking at whether you are being consistent energetically, vibrationally with the thing that you say you want and you are ready now to attract and receive in your life. All right, friends, so those are all the 4 steps. And before we end the video, I just want to say a little something. You know, a lot of people give up on their dreams. A lot of people say they want things, but really and truly, they're just not willing to do what it takes to have them. And I just want to really acknowledge you for being somebody that's here in this video, that has watched to the end, because I know if you're here, you're committed to having the things that you want, and you are not interested in complaining or being a victim or just being somebody that isn't ready to be an equal partner with God, the universe, or any other person that you wish to manifest in your life, or any other partnership that you wish to manifest in your life. we can end the year really strong. And even if you're watching this video like in 2020, because this video will be up for a lifetime, whenever you are watching this video, I just want you to understand that you do have the power, that you are so much more in control than you may realize. And it is far more empowering to know that we have the ability to go after and get what we want than to think that we are just this little piddly tiny little thing that has to wait on something or someone to give it to us. So let's go after what we want. Let's work these steps and let's make it happen. I love you all so much. If you haven't already subscribed to this YouTube video, to this YouTube channel, make sure that you definitely do, because there's going to be more videos coming. If you're not already following me on Instagram, definitely make sure to do that. My handle is @ModernDayWiseWoman. And make sure to share this video with your friends and your family, the people in your life that you want to see win along with yourself. Also, you know what? Comment below and let me know which of the steps are you going to start implementing immediately, and what are the things that you are going after in your life. Let's keep the conversation going. Y'all, as always, it has been such a profound pleasure to do this video for you. I know it's been a while since the last video. I'm grateful for your time and your energy, and I look forward to doing more videos and bringing more in the near future. Until we see each other again, don't you forget that we are in this together.